Hello friends and welcome back to the Business Guruji. Please click on the subscribe button to get the latest videos from our channel. Today we will see how to create a Gantt chart in Excel. So Gantt chart shows the amount of work done or completed in a certain period of time in relation to the time planned. So we have taken a small example of Gantt chart where you can see the activities are planned, the start and end date of the activities are planned, and we have shown it diagrammatically into the Excel. So let us see how to create a Gantt chart from scratch. I will copy this data and then I will go to a new tab and paste it. So if you see, we have activity list, activity A, B, C up till activity P. You can name it accordingly as per your activity names. Then we have start date and end date of these activities. So first thing that we will do is calculate activity completion time. Which will be a difference of end date and the start date, and we get the activity completion time. Now we will select the data from activity and start date. Then we'll go to insert and select the stacked bar, horizontal stacked bar. Please remember that we have to select the stacked bar and the horizontal graph. Now we will select this data and click on add. So instead of end date, we will add the activity completion time, and we will select this series of data. Now you have seen that Excel has started this series from 22nd of September 2017 till 30th of May 2018. However, our dates were from 1st Jan 2018 to 20th April. So first of all, we will like to understand the starting point of this. So we will click on the start date, and then we will also select the end date, and then we will change the properties of this two tabs to number so that we identify what are the numbers of these dates. So I will select the date label and go to format access, and I will do the minimum of one less than the what we have selected. So you see the minimum range, the starting value is 43101. I have put it as 43100. So just one day less than our starting range, and end date would be the same, 43220. I will put the end date at 43220. Right. Now I will select the blue bars and click on no fill. So this range gets disappeared automatically, and you can see only the activity completion date. Now you also see that these activities are arranged in the reverse order. So I will select this and I will go to access options, and then I will go to category in reverse order. So your Gantt chart is ready to use. The best part of this chart is in case we find that we have to add any activity in between, say activity D1, and if the start date is the same, so it gets added automatically in between. So you can easily play with these activities according to your use. Now we will try to give this graph some beautiful shape. So we'll select this data and we will give it first of all a 3D look, and then the shape we will go to gradient fill and we will select yellow ones. Also, we will select this chart area and delete it. And the background area, we can go for a gradient fill with pattern as light blue. We will also select this, and in background we will color it as black in order to make it more visually appealing. So Gantt chart is ready to use. In case you have any doubts, please put it onto comments and we shall be able to answer it. So this is all for this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Have a good day. Bye.